Hello. Welcome back to Fundu Tester. This is a continuation of a Testsigma tutorial. In previous session, we had a discussion on how we can create a first automation script. If you haven't watched the video, you can go to the playlist and you can watch the video. In this, we are going to discuss how we can add test cases with the suite and a test plan, and we can group test cases together. So don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe Fundu Testers.
Camera rolling, action.
In last session, we have created a login test script. So this is the first test script. We are logging into this application, and now we will see how we can add into a test plan and a test suite. So first I am going to create a test suite. So here I am going to a test suite, and we are going to create a test suite by simply clicking on a test suite, and here we have to provide all this information and what are the tests we are going to add with this suite. So let's say here I am going to give name as a smoke test. We have given the name and need to click on the add test cases, and whatever the test case we have developed, we can select, and we just need to add to the selected area. So add selected or remove selected option is there. So if I click on add selected, we'll move to the selected area and it will remove from available test cases. And if I want to remove this, there is a two option. Once I can click on the remove, or I have to select and remove selected. So like this, multiple tests I can remove. So let's see, remove. So it got removed and again it came here. So again I am going to selected one and I am going to save this. So we will have a one test case in our smoke test suite, and I am going to create a suite. So once test suite is created, we can create a test plan. So with basically test cases, test suite, and on top of the test suite we will have a test plan. So in test suite we can add multiple test cases, like smoke test cases. It will have 10 test case. Apart from, we can add functional test cases. So we can create a multiple test suite, and all the test queues, if we want to run together, we can add into a test plan. So let me go to the test plans here. So here we can see the suite got created, and if I want to go to the test plan, we can create a test plan, and here we have to give the test plan name. So here let's say I want to execute all the tests on a Chrome browser. So test plan to test application on Google Chrome. So here I am going to specify the device name, and whatever test we have, we are going to execute all the tests against the Google Chrome. I am going to a next. Here we have to add a test suite. So we have one smoke test. I am going to add here. I have added. So one test suite added here. We have to select this, and we have to specify the device. So as I said, I am going to execute on a Chrome. So I am going to create machine on a Chrome and Testsigma lab. Similar way I can create for a multiple configuration. So here I am selecting a Mac and browser will be a Chrome, and create. So whatever test I am going to run, it will run against the Chrome. Next, simply, and on a pass, if I want to send a mail, so let's say I wanted to send a mail to the particular set of people, to me, including my colleagues and my manager. By end of the day, they will get to know I have executed this test and those tests are running. So here we can select multiple things: pass, fail, or not executed. So based on this status, it will go mail to the particular set of people. And apart from, we have additional settings. So for entire suite, we want to specify the timeout, or there are some recovery actions are there. So this we can update, and we can these things we can update, and simply I am going to create. So now my test plan got created, and I can simply run, and I can schedule a job as well. Similar way, I want to test my entire applications against the Mozilla Firefox. So simply what I can do, to test application on Firefox. And here again we have to do the same thing. We have to add a suite. We have a smoke test suite, add, and we have to select the machine. So again we are going to run on a Firefox and Testsigma lab. We are going to select this, and again the same thing, make Montessori, and this time Firefox, and create. So again we have created one more test plan, and the same thing for past, and I am going to send a mail to me only and create. So now it is done, and now whatever test plan we have, we can execute all the test plan. So let's say I want to schedule a test plan, then it will automatically run on a particular time. So let's say I want to run my test daily 12 p.m. so I can create a schedule daily 12 a.m. or daily 12 p.m. We can give a meaningful name, and it will start from, and we have to here specify the timings 12 p.m. and on a daily, hourly, daily or something. So we can select. So this is going to be daily and schedule. Selected time must be greater than current time. So here we have to will start from a tomorrow. So this should work. So schedule. So my test has been scheduled. Test plan has been scheduled. So now every day at 12 p.m. this pipeline is going to execute, and we will reports on our mail. And now if we want to run from manually, so simply we can come to the test plan and we can simply click on the run. So our test plan will execute, and end of the execution we can see the detailed report. So as of now it is executing. So we have executed this one to test on a Firefox, and if we go to the run results, so we can see whatever the test case we have executed. So it is showing last run and it was a pass. So if I want to view the reports, so there are three options again: schedule, view reports, and run now. So again from here also I can run the same test. So this is again detailed view. Here we have a one test. If I click on the test, it will navigate me to the different actions and times and all these things we can see here. And again for against each and every test we can watch the videos, and we can watch the logs. Selenium logs will be there, steps will be there. So all these things again we can see here from a test plan and execution report. And once a test plan got executed, so like this we will get an email, we have executed this test and this is the pass or fail. And from here also we will navigate to the report as well. So this is pretty much faster than a traditional framework. I recommend you to explore a Testsigma, and this is how we can create a test plan and test suite. So in further sessions we will see how we can create an advanced level of scripting, grouping functionality, and all this stuff we will learn. Thank you so much for your time, and before moving forward, don't forget to like and share this video with your friend, and don't forget to subscribe for new testers. Thank you so much.